Congratulations, you are on your way to becoming an operating engineer. Operating engineer is some of the most important work in the construction industry, and we're the best trained and most effective organization in the industry. Every construction site you see was excavated and prepared by an operating engineer. Maybe you're asking yourself, if I was hired by a contractor, why am I here at Local 926? Your employer is part of an elite group of contractors known as signatory contractors, which means that they've signed an agreement with Local 926, that's us, to provide them with the best equipment operators in the industry. That'll be you. They bid the work and secure the project, and then they look to us to refer the workers to the job site to do the job. What is the International Union of Operating Engineers, and what do we do? Simply by taking this referral and choosing this line of work, you're part of the International Union of Operating Engineers, an organization of over 400,000 operating engineers in 123 local unions throughout the United States and Canada who have similar goals and aspirations. An organization that was founded well over 100 years ago in 1896. We are a trade union that represents operating engineers, mechanics, and surveyors in the construction industry, as well as stationary engineers in operations, building maintenance, industrial complexes, and the service industries. What does that mean for you? Whether you work for a week or complete our training program to become a journeyman operating engineer and build a long-term career in construction, you can be confident that you're backed by a group of IUOE brothers and sisters and an administration that has your best interests. We negotiate and collectively bargain with our contractors on behalf of our members to get everything from wages and benefits, safety protocols, and job site standards. The IU advocates for great pay and benefits, safe working conditions, and the best training in the industry. While we work together with our employers, we do not represent the employer. We represent the worker, you. It's our job to see that you're treated fairly, safely, with dignity and respect, and that you make a fair day's pay for a fair day's work as an IUOE member. It's your job to be as professional as you can be, to learn as much as you can, and to be the best that you can be. Your employer may be where you draw your paycheck, but Local 926 is where you get protection from day one until the day you retire. Because you're represented by the IUOE, you don't have to worry about disputes at work. You can go to the job site, do your work, and concentrate on the job you were hired to do. If there are any disputes on the job, you're not put in the uncomfortable position of negotiating with your boss. That's where we come in. You can be assured that everyone here at IUOE Local 926 has been exactly where you've been. A lot of us came through the apprenticeship program. Some of us used to work non-union and realized there is a better way. But we've all been right where you are right now. Your team at the local union is a group you can count on to represent your best interests every day. On the job, you'll work with journeymen to guide you and teach you what you need to know and do to become successful. Why do you pay dues? And what does your union do for you? As a dues-paying member of the IUOE Local 926, you get the benefit of belonging to a group of operating engineers just like you. Your dues help build your retirement through our pension fund. As a member of Local 926, you have over 1,200 members across Georgia who have your back, and a team of people at the hall who advocate for you on the job site. On many job sites, you may have a steward who can be a sounding board for you, and you have recourse that a non-union worker doesn't have. Who is the team working for you at the local union? Your team here at Local 926 is here to help you, and we work for you. Our staff includes business agents whose job it is to address your specific needs on the job. They will interact with your employer on your behalf, should you need it, in situations like pay disputes or helping interpret contract language. You may have already interacted with one of our organizers, whose job it is to help make you aware of the benefits of being a member of our local union. Your training staff, which includes your training director and instructor, ensures that you receive the best and most relevant training on a variety of machinery in the industry. What kind of pay and benefits can you expect as a member of Local 926? As a dues-paying member of Local 926, you'll typically be paid higher wage than your non-union counterparts. Moreover, because you're a union operating engineer, your benefits, which includes health care for you and your family and a generous retirement package, are paid for by your employer. You will not have to come out of your own pocket to pay for retirement and health care. This is a huge benefit of being a member of Local 926. What kind of training do we offer? IUOE Local 926 has one of the finest training centers in the United States, right here in our jurisdiction. Our new training center in Cedartown allows our members to work hands-on in the field and in the classroom on equipment and technology that you'll use every day on the job site. Our instructors are top-notch experts in their field and will pass that knowledge and experience on to you. You can rest assured the training you receive will be up to date and in demand no matter where you go. Our training curriculum for apprentices is an on-the-job training program that has you in the field on a daily basis and at the training center on a quarterly basis. Our program is a comprehensive 8,000-hour course, and when you graduate, you'll be a fully accredited journeyman operating engineer. As a journeyman operating engineer, you will have the knowledge and skill on many different types of equipment to take you wherever you want to go. We have multiple employers in our jurisdiction and hundreds of employers nationwide to provide you with job opportunities. What can you do to make your experience the best it can be? Go to your training classes faithfully. Come to union meetings regularly. Get involved in the activities of your local union. Offer help and advocate for your fellow union members on the job site. Wear Local 926 shirts on the job. You'll get out of this experience what you put into it. We're glad you're here and we're excited that you chose the International Union of Operating Engineers, Local 926.